Okay, we just caught this rat snake at
right before church.
yeah.
And he's very pretty.
Very pretty.
And we're just gonna move him off the road right here by the tree.
Okay, bye, buddy.
He's a very, very pretty rat snake.
We moved him. We moved him over here because we didn't want him to get.
Hey guys, we just caught a huge Midland water snake. His belly is super orange. And yeah, he's longer than my arm. So he's about 3 feet long, and we're about to let him go.
Okay, bye, mister.
Here, hold the phone. Here, do it like this. That's how big he is. All right. Okay. All right. Bye, buddy.
Whoa.
Go that way.
Yeah, go that way, Bo. Yeah, go that way. Go scare some more. We just caught a
Midland water
snake.
He's really nice. Show him his belly.
He's really nice.
He's got a nice orange line down his belly.
Nice.
And we're gonna let him go back in the river.
Bye, buddy. If we see you again. Bye, buddy.
You can just put him on the sand.
I see you again. Well, he fell. Whoa. He's having fun. He's having fun back in his home. Well, we just found its hiding place.
Yep.